So I just got this car running, this black A4 Avant. Well, first off, I noticed that both of these sun visor clips are broken. I went to go adjust this rear view mirror and the thing just broke completely off. Well, it might have happened to some people before. Look at that. This piece is completely broken. There's two tabs missing. There's supposed to be a tab right here and a tab right here. And then there's also supposed to be a tab in there. Well, this piece right here, oh man. Even that's loose. What a disaster. Let me see if I can't get this mirror back up, because I'd prefer to have it back up. So if you notice, there's three little tabs right in here. So we're gonna put it right here. Put it right here and then spin it right there. See that? So now we're gonna tilt it back down, and this piece is not going to stay up in there because it's broken, but it'll stay up there good enough. That's better than what it was. So if you want to take it off, you just twist and pull. If you want to put it on, you just twist it and put it back in there. And it's probably good enough, but if you want to take that apart without breaking it, you have to be careful, because those tabs on the side, they're just in there pretty good. So I just figured I'd throw this video up real quick. It's always nice whenever you have the compass built into your rearview mirror. A lot of the cars don't have the compass. And also, this light right here is auto dimming mirrors. So these mirrors on the side here, whenever you turn your headlights on, they actually have a special fluid in there that dims it automatically. So it's not like that real old school style where you just flip it and it bends. But anyway, this is my Avant, my 2011 A4 Avant. You can see it's a little bit dusty. I need to clean it up and wash it. It's got 107,000 miles on it. I just put a fresh engine in it, and I will be going through it and making it retail ready very soon. And my next vehicle, I might have an interested party in it already, is a 2011 Q5. I'll be putting that together next, and I'll probably do some filming on that one.